Oh, I know what you're thinking. Who the heck wants an orange living room? Well, my dear, possibly you after watching this video. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. So, before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also check down below in the description box for tons of orange ideas for you to implement in your own home. So, this video is all about an orange living room. I know some of you consider it a faux pas, but I'm going to show you how it can be done tastefully and beautifully. An orange living room will always be considered warm and inviting for everyone. As a combination of the colors red and yellow, orange creates a harmony of the qualities that these two different colors possess. It has a less imposing effect and a toned down brightness. Its warm attributes from the color red were created to be less striking by the yellow shades. Once used as a color scheme for a room, it has the capability of reflecting a sociable vibe, especially when establishing a much needed extroverted quality. Alright guys, I don't know if you have noticed this or not, but I love this paint feature on the wall. Super creative and super cheap to do. Orange living rooms have energizing qualities. It usually invokes the feeling of excitement and encourages the flow of energy. Some might not be a fan of this color, but there are a lot of things that you can actually do when you learn how to effectively manage a perfect color scheme that involves a lot of dynamic nature. One tip that I have learned just from being obsessed with home decor for as long as I have is that most people don't want to go all out with their quote-unquote main color scheme. So they try to find a complementary color or an accent color that will add more aesthetic value without ruining its primary effect. Before you entirely decline these orange living room ideas, you need to look into other different combinations of color schemes that might change your mind. There are plenty of color combinations that will make your living room more exciting and vibrant. Using the color wheel as a guide, you can surely find the perfect complementary color for that orange shade that you must not give up on. If you do not need the help of the traditional color wheel, here are some color combinations that other people have successfully tried in their own living rooms. One would be pale blue. Yes, that fun twist provided by the vibrant orange creamsicle sherbet in a minimalist aesthetic of pale blue and white is worth a try. When you want to transform a conventional room into a room with some fun elements, the most that you can do is to introduce an element that will create an energy flow. The formal existing tone of your room will be less restricting when you try to introduce the creamy orange tone. Infusing the living room's pale color scheme with an inviting creamy tone of orange will most likely transform it to possess a livelier atmosphere for you and your family. Dark brown is another combination that creates a spicy orange and brown living room, a color combination that basically is expected to look as delicious as it sounds. It's a concoction that most interior designers would imagine as a great mixture of colors because of the contrasting effects that make the orange color not too overwhelming for your senses. Painting the walls in a dark chocolate brown color will give your cayenne-colored furniture and accents an opportunity to really pop better without overpowering other design fixtures you installed in the room. The overall effect of this color combination is a welcome change that you can always try to spice up the room with great taste. Another awesome color combination would be your orange with turquoise. This color is lively and bold, which is probably the best reason why it can easily be used to pair up with a warm orange shade. Turquoise and a warm orange combination will be phenomenal, especially in Chinese or Asian inspired interiors. Asian themes are usually vibrant, so mixing these two shades will be perfect for the mood that you need to set. When you have decided to use this color combination, there won't be a shortage of art pieces that you can use for your renovation project. Just imagining how the orange walls will serve as a great background for timeless looking wall decors and other fixtures will be enough to give this plan a full go. Other combinations that look great with the color orange would be wood or gray. Now, a lot of times this can be seen in cottages that have a certain homey vibe in them that you almost can't find in any other type of house. Their interiors are most likely to be made of wood and other materials that would exude the vibe that always feels warm and welcoming, which is why orange works so well. Gathering the shades of orange, which will get along well with the monotonous beige, will be an easy task. There are a variety of ways to introduce this shade to your existing beige living room interior. In my opinion, burnt orange and green are just totally my favorite color combination when it comes to orange. We talk a lot about green and gold on this channel, but don't sleep on orange and green. It is a gorgeous color combination. The total effect is so earthly that you'll want to add more design elements that will enhance its overall appeal. So using the tones of orange and green, and in some cases even throwing in just a bit of brown for your project will also be possible when you add some white highlights, especially in your furniture and decor. The total effect of this combination will blow you away, and you will really find a relaxing living room once everything is done. Now, I love the look of orange and fuchsia, but this can go on the wrong track really quickly. It's such an invigorating and energizing room, and I absolutely love that. Once you walk into your living room, there's no way you can be depressed or down or sad or even tired, but just keep in mind a little bit goes a long way. Alright guys, so I know I asked you to comment your favorite room down below. If you want to know mine, it is this beauty right here. Of course, there are a couple of things that I would change, but I think overall this room is beautiful and bright even though it's orange. Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join our little happy family. Be sure to comment video ideas down below that you would like to see. I'm actually working on a couple right now, and I will just see you in the next video. Stay stylish, my friends.